great pleasure today to introduce Antino and Harni because 4 or 5 years back when I started, it was just this phone call which closed the deal with me, and today lots has changed after that. It was this call that happened because I was looking to upgrade my skills. I was at that time a very successful behavioral assessment specialist and looking to upgrade my skills, and I came across this program called UP, and I was wondering what about it. My decision on doing this program, having to make commitments. Having said that, I went ahead. I thought probably it's one of those just thought processes, nothing more. And after that, I went for the program, and there's been no looking back after that. It's been an accelerated growth after that. My influencing and closing the deals at a personal level, as a mother, as a wife, as an entrepreneur at that time, just accelerated. 10 times more. And I realized that I was just doing these deals, and as a consultant, as a behavioral assessment consultant, getting orders of crores of rupees in a short span of 3 to 6 months is not something that we hear, and I was able to close it. So that was my start of a journey of accelerated growth with UP and Antino and Harni. And how did Fit for Life happen? While I was very successful as a professional, my health came to a tipping point. I was wearing plus size clothes. I remember I was going for the next program and I had to start buying plus size clothes. My diabetes levels, I started showing signs of diabetes, blood pressure, knee pains, palpitations. And that's when I realized that I had to do something about my health. I used the same tools and the same influencing strategies for myself that UP had to give me. And little did I realize that that journey transformed to what I am today. I'm at 43, 68 kilos, very proud to be healthy and fit, and going to gyms every day and working out and living a life with 18 hours. And the interesting part about all of this is that it's been very happy. I'm not struggling to lose weight. I'm not struggling to keep my weight off. It's just a very unnatural, unconscious process. And while I was doing that, I recognized there were so many more people who were struggling for health and struggling to lose weight. And that's when I realized maybe I should start a company to help more people do this more effortlessly than to struggle with it. And that's how Fit for Life got conceptualized. Today, it's a 4-year-old company. I have loads of clients, and without any marketing, without any advertisements over the top, it's just working with clients, they're getting benefits. People in the family seeing them coming to me, that's how the whole journey has happened. So 4 years on, I have Ananta here, she's one of my clients, and there are people here in the audience who've seen her transform and are here for the program. That shows what the work they do. And yeah, it's just been a growth, and today Fit for Life is becoming a brand. There's a waiting list of clients. I work with a lot of doctors, HNIs, CEOs, CXOs. There are people in the audience also who wanted me to open centers in their cities. That's how the growth is. And it all started with that phone call, which is called the Close the Deal. And she did it, and after that, there's not been any turning back, whether it's the change that I'm seeing today, or whether the way I just behave is a very, very different me than what I was. And that's why I wanted to bring both of them here so that more people get benefited out of